What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another Dogecoin video and baby Dogecoin. So we got to go over baby Dogecoin and Dogecoin today. And right now you can obviously see that we are kind of in another period of consolidation. We just broke out of this, and now we're kind of trading sideways a little bit, but we're probably going to end up going back down to our previous support line. I know no one wants to see us go all the way down to 20 cents. No one wants to see us go all the way down to 15, 16 cents. But if it happens, you cannot complain, because it's exactly what you sign up for when you're using crypto, and especially with Dogecoin and stuff like that. So if we go down that low, do not get upset, do not get scared, do not get paper hands. Obviously, if you're overextended, sell out if you don't have enough money inside of your personal holdings to pay off whatever you have to pay off. But anyways, like I always say, never overextend yourself, never spend more than what you're willing to lose on crypto, especially Dogecoin. But anyways, this is just a little bit of the technicals here. I don't want to go over too much of the technicals, because I used to do a lot of technical analysis, but I realize now it really doesn't matter with Dogecoin, because if an Elon Musk tweet can influence Dogecoin, then a lot of other things can influence it, right? So over here we have the Dogecoin chart at 28 billion in market cap. We're going down in market cap. 24-hour trading volume is at 1.3 billion, at a total of 54% down for the last 24-hour trading volume. We had 3 billion inside the 24-hour trading volume, so it's kind of crazy that we're only down on 1.3 billion now. But anyways, that's just the trading volume, so it doesn't matter that much, right? Anyways, and now baby Dogecoin. That's the next thing. Baby Dogecoin. Look at this: 1.3% in the last hour, 16% in the last 24 hours, 114% in the last 7 days, 266% in the last 14 days, 2100% inside the last 30 days. Might as well just say 2200%. So baby Dogecoin has only been out for a month, and it's already up 2200%. So baby Dogecoin is literally having the best returns out of every single crypto in the last month right now. So that's huge right there. And 429,000 people are now holding baby Dogecoin. So that is really good news right there, that we have that many people holding baby Doge, almost at 430k, and we're just going up with the amount of people that are holding baby Doge. So that another thing that I really like about baby Doge, when you look at over here at the whales, most of these top wallets, they're exchanges, right? You got the Pancake Swap here, you got the Burn address up here. These three addresses are probably developers, and you just have all these top addresses which are most likely exchanged, and then down here you have the normal people. But what it's way different than the Dogecoin whales, you can see Dogecoin whales, the top one 28%, second 3%, second or third 3%, fourth 4%. You can see the percentages are way higher when you look at the actual Dogecoin whales compared to baby Dogecoin whales. You can just see the percentages are way higher. But anyways, that's just a little analysis I had, because I was looking at it and it looks a little weird, but it's definitely a lot different than Dogecoin, right? But anyways, let's talk about the things that are going on in baby Dogecoin today. So right now, yes, one Dogecoin equals 54 million plus baby Dogecoins. So that's actually a really big number there. And we also have this right here, baby Dogecoin. They just always release these different articles about baby Dogecoin, and they go ahead and they put it onto their website. So that's something really cool about baby Doge. Anyway, let's look at what they said here. They said the baby Doge recovery is ahead of NASCAR debut. Remember, the NASCAR debut is today. Let me go over to that. Yeah, right there. You can see that it's today, July 10th. So I don't know what time it's going to be, but I know they're going to have this whole NASCAR debut today. They're probably having it right now as we speak. But anyways, that's pretty cool that it's going on today, and it's probably going to help the price a lot, because you can definitely see inside of the price that it was continuing to go up. Let me go back over here to CoinGecko and pull that up for you guys. So baby Dogecoin. All right. Back up. Baby Dogecoin, there it is. All right, so baby Dogecoin here, you can see the price is actually still going up today, 2.5% in the last hour, 19% in the last 24 hours. So it actually is helping with the whole NASCAR thing. And yes, it is a Camaro, branded Camaro, number 68 in the NASCAR race. So hopefully they do good inside this race and don't crash like the Dogecoin NASCAR. But hey, if it crashes, it might make another headline for more articles, right? So that could also help us rise in price, being more headlines. So anyways, the whole NASCAR thing, that's probably one of the biggest things going on in baby Dogecoin right now. But there's always something new going on in baby Dogecoin, right? So anyways, look over here. This is Dogecoin, not baby Dogecoin. These are Dogecoin whales. So as you can see, this Dogecoin whale came in they came in today. They came in with $53 million and it sold out today. They did all this today. And the next one, this whale also did the same thing today. This whale came in $37 million, sold out at 36.8 million. So yeah, this whale lost some money. This whale lost a good $1 million right there. You know, it's just like it's nothing. And then that's what happens when you have paper hands. You lose a lot of money. And then this whale is the smarter out of the two. This whale came in yesterday with 63 million, just kept holding it because they know in the future it's going to be big. Now they're at 61 million, but had they sold, they would have lost $2 million. But since they're not selling, they still have that $2 million. That's why I say just never sell if you're in the red. Just hold it, buy the dip, do whatever you have to do. Just don't sell when you're in the red. If it is a good security, a good crypto, good stock, you don't ever sell when it's in red if it's something that you really believe in, right? But anyway, that's all I have for the whales. I don't want to go over the whales too much. And honestly, baby Dogecoin, this is gonna go crazy. I just want this whole NASCAR thing to come out. I don't know exactly where I would go to view it. I mean, I know it says infinity, but I don't know if I had to pay for that or not. So I'm probably just gonna watch little clips of it on YouTube. Let me know in the comment section if you know some free way to watch it. NASCAR Infinity, I'm pretty sure it's probably free on that Infinity site. So it probably is free to watch. I just hope that they don't crash and spin out like the other Dogecoin NASCAR. That was pretty funny when they spun out there. But anyways, look at this Elon Musk support reverses Dogecoin price drop. Now I want to debunk this because people are looking at Elon Musk and saying you don't have an influence over Dogecoin anymore, which is completely not true. You have to think about the whole context of this. All right, so the whole context of this whole tweet here. This is Matt Wallace saying, reminder, the Dogecoin update is coming soon. It will position Dogecoin perfectly to become one of the most used currencies in the world. We're going to talk about the Dogecoin update, but first, let's talk about the whole context of this. So that's what Matt Wallace says. He says the Dogecoin update is coming soon pretty much. And he says it's going to be the most used currency in the world, right? And then Elon Musk comes down here. Mind you, Matt Wallace only got 10.5k likes on this, and then Elon Musk comes and comments on this. He didn't even make his own post. He just came in and commented, and he pretty much says there is merit in my opinion to Doge maximizing base layer transaction rate. And pretty much he's saying the transaction is going to be way smoother than Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's going to have cheaper transactions. It's going to have smoother transactions, quicker transactions. Everything's going to be better about Dogecoin in the future. And he retweeted this to Matt Wallace. You know, he commented on his tweet. Now the reason why this doesn't matter is because this isn't his own tweet. He's only commenting on another person's tweet, which means he's going to get way less likes and he's going to get way less people being influenced by that tweet. Typically, you see Elon Musk tweets, they get about 100k likes, and if it's on Dogecoin, typically it'll get about 300 to 500k likes if it's on Dogecoin. But that's if it's on Dogecoin. So anyways, this is another Dogecoin play, and that's, like I said, 300k likes right here. And you can see there's more likes on more of them that are about Dogecoin down here. Dogecoin Polytopia, 200k likes. So not as many people seen the tweet with Matt Wallace and Elon Musk because it was on Matt Wallace's account, which means Elon Musk did not have the proper influence over it, which means that the reverse in price isn't because Elon Musk doesn't have hold and say inside Dogecoin anymore. It's just because he didn't put it on the platform that it should have been on. He needs to directly post tweets on his actual Twitter about Dogecoin for Dogecoin to actually rise in price, because that's where all the fans are. 58 million people are following Elon Musk. So that's 58 million possible new holders of Dogecoin every single time he tweets. So that's the significance of his tweets. So that's why that's so significant. Anyways, let's move on to the next point that we have. So Dogecoin upgrade. I told you we'll talk about this. So Dogecoin upgrade, I talked about this a lot in my other videos, so I'm not going to go over it too heavily, but I'm just going to go over it very briefly so we know exactly what's happening. So the new upgrades for Dogecoin include two separate proposals from developer Patrick Lotter. Patrick Lotter, whatever you want to call him. Anyways, the first proposal was made on March 14th and will add some features similar to Bitcoin that remove certain bugs and open the chain to more possibilities. So the second and very recent proposal includes a greatly reduced transaction fee that will lower the average fee by 100x, among other things. So main thing we have to take out of this is the upgrade for the transaction fees. It'll be little to no transaction fee, 100x less like that is huge. So there's going to be little to no transaction fees. You can trade millions of dollars in Dogecoin and end up paying like $1 in transaction fees. Like that is the significance of this. And when is it going to come out? No one knows, but we do know it's going to come out soon. It's just the cumulative update will bring some features that exist on Bitcoin to Dogecoin. So they're going to try to, kind of mimic some of the Bitcoin features. And Bitcoin's past transaction malleability was a bug where someone could alter codes that identified transactions in a way that made it impossible to tell if a withdrawal had occurred. So using the small bug, a user could effectively request a withdrawal, change the code so that this action couldn't be seen, and then request another withdrawal. So they're taking out multiple withdrawals on the same money. So it's kind of a money hack. And they were like pretty much scamming the system, right? So anyways, that's the fixes that they made in there. And they're kind of trying to mimic Dogecoin and the Bitcoin and Ethereum path. They're trying to take, and make lower transaction fees, just like Ethereum is doing. And they're trying to make more secure transactions like Bitcoin's doing. So anyways, good stuff is coming for Dogecoin in the future. Same with baby Dogecoin, because anything that happens with Dogecoin is going to transact inside baby Dogecoin. And same for Bitcoin, or same for baby Doge. Anything in Doge will go inside baby Doge. Same for Doge and baby Doge. I keep saying Doge and baby Doge in place of each other. They're so hard to get down. Okay. Anyways, Dogecoin beats Ethereum 35-1 on fake sites. So definitely be careful with all these fake sites trying to get your Doge and trying to get your money, right? You can even tell people inside of my comment section pretending to be me, people pretending to have conversations with other people, and they're trying to give out WhatsApp numbers, Telegram numbers. Never go to a WhatsApp number or a Telegram number that someone tells you to go on. Like, it's all scams. Anytime someone sends you a WhatsApp number on YouTube, 100% of the time it's a scam. Anytime. Same thing with Telegram. 100% of the time it is a scam, and never trust any of that. So this is just crazy. I'm not even gonna go over this because it's just scammers and FUD anyway. But now we have India being really heavy on crypto, but India's new crypto laws are going into place. So crypto world may have sensed a relief this week, with more countries looking at regulation instead of cracking down. So yeah, they're actually going to start regulating a lot in India instead of cracking down and banning crypto. They're just going to regulate it out there. So from Coinbase looking to expand in India. So yes, Coinbase is actually going to be in India, and they're going to expand with the Indian government looking to bring a crypto bill in the monsoon session of the parliament. The short-term outlook for the industry is improving. So Coinbase inside of India is a really good news, because you have to think about it. We now have Dogecoin on Coinbase. So that's another opportunity for people to buy Dogecoin. And hopefully we get baby Doge on Coinbase as well. That'll also give us more opportunities to buy baby Doge. And baby Doge needs to get on more listings like Ethereum, or not Ethereum, I mean Binance. Binance is probably going to list baby Doge. Remember, baby Doge is on the Binance Smart Chain. So it's actually going to be very easy for them to implement baby Doge into Binance, because it's already on the Smart Chain. Hopefully they put it into Binance US, because that's where I am. And every time they add something new to Binance, I typically don't add it to Binance US, which sucks. But a lot of people can't even get their money out of Binance, so I'm not even worried about Binance, to be honest, because I can't even get my money out of Binance. Like, I was trying to withdraw $5,000, couldn't do it, sent it to Voyager, it withdrawed it, and just ended it there. I'm not using Binance anymore, but I'm not gonna hate on Binance. It's just Binance isn't the best and the most transparent exchange out there. Let's just be honest. They don't have a home base. They don't have one facility that they operate out of. Actually, they have no facilities that they operate out of, and it's just not transparent enough. Every time a scam gets mentioned about Binance, they don't respond. They don't give people their money back when people can't withdraw their money. They don't allow some people to withdraw money. But anyways, that's just the current things that I'm seeing going on with Binance. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence, because only you truly know what you want to do. So anyways, this is all I have for baby Dogecoin and Dogecoin. Let me know in the comment section what you want me to go over next. What kind of token or crypto you want me to go over next. I will never do a paid promotion for a crypto, so never pay me in any crypto, and I will never do any kind of paid crypto promotion, right? But anyways, if you do want to message me about any kind of sponsorship, hit me up inside my email. It's inside the description. But I will never do anything for a crypto project, and because that's just criminal. You can do rug pulls and stuff like that. Isn't that right? But anyways, Not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. If you like the video though, hit the like button and subscribe. Check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Webull, Voyager, Crypto.com, and Public.com. You can get all those free stocks and put it into whatever you want. Get that free money, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.